In July of 2023, REV-X traveled to legendary Glen Helen racetrack in California in 106-degree heat to test max power by removing the radiators and coolant from a Husqvarna FC450 Rockstar Edition bought sight unseen to make sure it wasn't tampered with. Recently, REV-X had a comment on an Instagram post from Dirtbike Magazine. The comment said, "We get asked all the time if this was real. Yes, this was a real test, and it survived." The test was attended by Mark Tilley of Dirtbike Magazine, Josh Mosman of MXA Magazine, REV-X founder Dan Wilson, MXA editor and former pro rider Jody Weissel, and champion pro rider Gary Jones. The following is the full Mark Tilley interview from later that same day.
Mark Tilley, I'm the managing editor of Dirtbike Magazine. The bike was running great. I was riding it on the trails. It was running great. I mean, riding it without radiators and without anything. I mean, you could smell it a little bit, but it was running great. Like I said, I think something happened to the battery or whatever, but I mean, I don't think that it's anything motor-wise. Like I'm pretty impressed.
Yeah.
I mean,
would you put it in your bike?
I would put it in my bikes now. Like, it's definitely one of those things to where, even if nothing else, it's an insurance program. I mean, you kind of look at it and you go, we're on trails all the time. Then we're 10, 15 miles away from the truck. Why not? I mean, it's $20 or $23 or whatever it is, like, for that, and to put it in your bike every oil change. I mean, it's definitely one of those things to where it's better to have that insurance than not have that insurance, to me.
And how many times did you take it around the track with no radiators?
I didn't take it around the track at all. That was all Mosman, but
okay.
I took it back in the hills and went on some trails and stuff like that. And we were actually filming it, and the bike probably has about an hour and a half now of running without any radiators on it, without any water pump cover on it. So there isn't any coolant in that thing, and there hasn't been any coolant in that thing for a long time. So, like I said, I'm impressed. I'm definitely impressed, and I can't wait to ride it some more to see how long it goes.